Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from Crone-Findlay.com and toddytalkscrafts.com. So I am here in my very crowded little studio to show you some of the weaving that I've been doing lately. Now this particular tapestry is 28 inches in diameter, and I started out with it was a piece that I began, and I spent hours and hours and hours and hours working on a rectangle as the background. And it was like, oh, no, it just wasn't right. And so I had to pay attention to that voice that was going, no, this is not right. And so then when I switched to, I twigged to, oh, it needs to be a circle. And then as soon as I twigged to it being a circle, it was like, yes. And so I wove the circle on a peg loom. And this one, I'll show you the sister tapestry that goes with this one. This is part of a series. I just made a video about here's one of them, flowers that I have made using, and petals, using little triangles woven on pin looms. And so this tapestry includes quite a few different looms. There's quite a lot of tatting on it. The body of this particular, I should use a pointer rather than my finger because my finger is just this big pink blob. But anyhow, this figure is tapestry woven on the Vasilisa loom that I designed for Dewberry Ridge Looms, and she's also tapestry woven on the Vasilisa loom. And she's her body is tapestry woven on the Thumbelina loom, and her body is woven on the Mollywappy pin loom. And there's lots of dragonflies that I wove on looms that I also designed for good old Dewberry Ridge Looms. She's woven on the Thumbelina loom as well. And so is she, another Thumbelina loom tapestry. And so they've all come together on this large piece, tapestry woven on just the whole combination of quite a few different pin looms and the peg loom as the background. And this one is called Every Flower Has a Memory. And so that's this tapestry. And I will go and get the other tapestry and show that one to you as well. Oh, by the way, I did a video showing how to make the flowers, the woven flowers and leaves. So that's on my YouTube channel. Okay, just going to go and get the other tapestry. And here is the Mermaid tapestry. Again, also 28 inches in diameter. Also, the background is woven on the peg loom. And the three mermaids were woven on stick weaving looms. And more tatting, more dragonflies. Again, flower woven on the pin loom. And this one is and also too, there's the star woven on the star loom that I designed as well. And this one, I let it's about the healing process of imagination. And so I when I was weaving the background, I could have gone with a higher contrast background than what I did, so that the two outside mermaids would show up better. But I wanted them to be almost just kind of emerging from the background, so that when we contemplate and consider what we see clearly and what we don't see clearly, and what we think we see and what we don't see, and where memories and dreams and contemplations and stories all come into play, with being healing, and that place that beauty plays, the magic and wonder of nature, the magic and wonder of creating simple beauty, and how essential and important that is in our lives. So, and I should mention too that the tapestries are, the reason why it's freestanding like that is that I do have an armature inside them, so that they are they're firmly held in place as pieces that, you know, they hang on the wall. I can show you the back here. There's the I wove the background on rigid heddle looms, and there's the wire. So the background for the pieces is very firm, so that they're strong pieces. So that's some of what I've been up to lately, and I'll be doing more videos showing you more of what I've been up to as well, because I've really been working a lot with different shapes, weaving on different shapes. And so there's more to show, so I'll talk to you soon. Big hugs all around. Take good care. Sweet dreams and happy weaving.